Hello, hi. Let's dive into dictionaries in Python now. So, dictionaries is a unordered mutative sequence of objects having key value pairs, and they are enclosed by curly braces. So, dictionaries have unordered key value pairs. We have to, this is an important point. And also, dictionaries can have empty key value and their pairs. So this is another, interview, one-liner interview question that can we have empty, key value pairs inside a dictionary? Answer is yes. Also, dictionary is mutable, like list, right? As we saw during tuples and strings, the tuples and strings were immutable. Once you add value to them, it cannot be changed. But in dictionary and list, it is possible. Now, let's dive into some important functions of dictionary. Okay, so like we always do, let's go into our demo. I have declared a dictionary. As you can see, there's a key and there's a value, right? And the key is enclosed by a code, single code. And this is the value. Value can be int, float, string, list, or tuple. We can also have a dictionary inside a dictionary. No issue. So let's see. First of all, let's print it off. Mhm. Yeah. And then also print out its length. Okay. Now, once you run this, you'll find that this is the dictionary and the length is 5 because the whole thing is considered 1, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have the length. Now, one more important function is pop, right? So let's see pop item first. So pop item will pop the last item from the dictionary. So let's see now. Hmm, Let's run this. It has popped the last item, right? Now, in order to see the situation of our dictionary, the condition that, okay, what is the length of the dictionary and all. Let's see, let's print out the dictionary now. See, the last item has been popped, A5. Now we have four keys with their corresponding value. So now moving on to another important function is there's a pop mm, function also. So let's look into that. So the difference between pop and pop item is pop item will always remove the last item, last element. But pop in pop you have to get the key also. Suppose you want to remove K2, the this thing, right? The second line. Just give its key and it will pop it. And now after popping, let's print out the dictionary as well. Let's run this. And this was the original dictionary. Uh, 2.8 has been popped. See, A2 has been popped. And let's print out the dictionary now. A2, 2.8 is not there, right? So now moving on to another one, copy. Okay, so now you can have a copy also. You can I can create a new dictionary and I can say c dot copy. So it will give a copy of the dictionary. Now let's print it out and see. So this was the original dictionary D, and this is the sorry. Let me print D. Hmm. So we have D1 and D. Both are same, right? It has been copied. Now another important function is delete using del. So now suppose I want to delete let's say K3. So I'll have to pass the key and say delete and then print out the dictionary to see if it has deleted or not. Okay. Now you can see K3 has been successfully deleted because it is a mutable, right? Mutable sequence, right? As I mentioned earlier. Now moving on to the next function. Next function is keys and values, right? So in dictionary, you can print out all the keys and values using, first of all, let's say keys, and then we will see values also. Value. You can print out all the keys and values like this. So let's run this and see. Dict keys and dict values, they are printed as a list over there, right? This is the list of values. This is the list of keys. Now, you can also print out in the items. Let's see all the items. It will give the key value pairs. So when see the items are there, ticked items, and it is a key value pair. Each are enclosed in each are considered as tuple, each key value pair, and all of them are enclosed in list. So this is very important to know that when you print out the items or iterate in the items, so each key value is considered a tuple, and all of the key value pairs they are considered as elements in a list. Okay. So also one last function is get. Okay, suppose let me comment this out and okay d dot get, right? So even if you are getting something, you have to mention the key, right? You have to it is the keys which via which you can access the dictionaries basically. So any value, particular value of the dictionary. So you have to mention the key. Suppose I want to know uh, what is the value inside key for. I want to get this. So key for. Okay, we have to print it out. Okay, now let's run it. You see, T1. So the list has been printed. So these were all some important functions for dictionary which I wanted to discuss over here. So I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.